Hi everyone, Darko here for your daily trade example. We took a trade on Euro Yen. Let's hear what I had to say about this trade and I will talk you through it. This is still pending. It's no longer an ACAT because we did not get filled within the next coming week. Now it's a daily set and forget. So let's see if this level gets filled. This is a high quality trade, just like everything else that I point out. I never take any iffy trades, and yeah, sometimes I get a second thought. That's completely normal. Yearly, it's more up than down. Monthly and weekly is definitely trending to the upside. Monthly chart, weekly chart, it's retracing back into an identical neckline. Let's see, so I don't, yeah, this was an identical, yes, this is an identical neckline, monthly identical neckline, and now we want to see a pullback into that level for a potential fill. So we are trading with the trend, and this is a hands-off trade management. There you go. You heard me talk about the Euro Yen trade. We got filled to the pip. I scaled 250 pips. Let's see here, we went up to, yeah, let's see, we went up to almost like 300. I scaled 250. The risk was around 200. Okay, let's see here, 170, 195. So it's I made 1-to-1 risk reduced, and let's see how things goes. The market has been, lack of follow through lately, and we see that in the VIX index. So the volatility index and most of the pairs on a monthly chart are very, the wicks are almost 90% of the candle, and the body is anything from 5 to 10%, and the market has been ranging on many pairs. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're probably like wiping your account. When the markets are sideways, you have to know how to read price and trade accordingly to your written down game plan. Okay, we had another trade on Aussie Swissy. This was the fill. The reason behind this trade is price was at monthly support. We had a monthly spinning top. Okay, and this was the fill to the pip. I scaled 100 pips. Reduced risk. This pullback down did not stop me out, obviously, and now we are heading up, but we are still, like I said, we are still being sideways. There is no follow through. So those are two winning trades, regardless if price hits my stop loss. And that's what we have been up to last week. These are the two pending orders that were pointed out in advance, and let's see how things goes. And if you haven't heard about the latest news for Coach's Corner for the past month or so, is I'm also doing on Thursdays PMA. I'm covering indices and the major indices are around the world with focus on the S&P, obviously, and doing those on weekly basis. So the Coach's Corner has never been this good as it is right now. So if you ever had thinking of joining, now is the right time. And make sure that you follow me on LinkedIn. The reason behind it is because I'm actually posting my entire live account, my stock account, so you see the numbers, how much money I trade, which stocks I'm investing in, if I'm down, up, and also analyzing the S&P in great detail, posting several times a week about different stock related, Forex related, also motivational stuff. So that make sure that you open an account. I know most people are not active on LinkedIn. It doesn't matter, just open an account, follow me, and you will have live information about most of the the setups on S&P. It's pointed out in advance, obviously, like everything else I do on social media, and you can benefit from those posts. And make sure also that you listen to the latest weekly trade example, where I did a very standalone, detailed, everything you need to know about support and resistance. I applied those on the stock market, and I get some really nice feedback about that specific video. If you watch any of my videos, if you only pick like one of them, the last video on YouTube is the one that you should be watching. It should not, you should not miss that opportunity. Also, make sure that you listen to our podcast. Vic just did an update, a new episode. And if you haven't listened to the previous episodes, I promise you, there are not many promises in the market, in the financial market, but I promise you this podcast alone will save you a fortune. It's Forex Trading Coach Podcast, and it's still ranked number 1 on Spotify. So that's it. Until next time, stay safe and take care. Cheers.